Remember, you're enjoying free content. If you don't like it, just click play. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are unboxing our Icon box by Ipsy. Now, Ipsy was kind enough to send this over to me in PR, so ginormous thank you to Ipsy for that. I am taking a little bit of a turn on how I do this unboxing. This box is a quarterly subscription. This is not monthly. Now, with that said, this box is $65 a month. They do tack on a I Touched It fee, which is like $1 or $2.99 or something like that. This time, we're gonna look at the box as a whole. Is it worth your money? Here in Kentucky, it's just under $72 quarterly for this box. I'm gonna give you my thoughts, my opinions, and will she stay on the PR list after her opinions? Would I spend my money on it? Let's find out. The first thing in here right on top is who they have collaborated with, which her name is Ash K. Holmes. I do believe she's a celebrity makeup artist. I do believe. We do have foam. If you guys know, you know. Alright. So the first thing that is right here on top is by Mally's. This is the Mally's Get Dreamy Overnight Toning Body Butter or Body Whip. I actually own this. I actually really like it on my skin. It is a bit of a pricey product. Now, Ipsy does state that when it comes to the Ipsy Icon box, it does have a retail value, it looks like, of up to $350 worth of product. They do say that it is $65 quarterly. Alright, so this is the Body Whip. And I actually really do like this product. It has a really nice, wonderful scent, which it's got this one. I already have one open. Now, one thing I am noticing here, and I could be wrong, maybe there are different sizes, so before I speak on it, I should probably double check. I'd actually picked mine up off the TikTok shop. So I'm just out of curiosity, I'm going to go over and check my storefront because I do have it listed there. And I want to see if the Mally's that they sent, the 3.4 ounces, is what I have, because I am just far too lazy to walk my butt upstairs and grab it. The one that I am seeing on my TikTok shop, and let's jump on over to Ulta right quick once again just to double check the sizes, because the size that I have listed in my TikTok shop that is running about $46 is like double in size. I thought that it felt smaller for sure. Over on Ulta's website, this is also saying 6.8 fluid ounces. It looks like that is the only one or only size available at Ulta as well as on TikTok shop. This one is 3.4 fluid ounces. So I guess maybe this was something that Mally's did in collaboration with Ipsy to maybe work the price. I don't know. You will like it. It smells nice. It's lovely. And I actually pair it with the Get Taught spray. That is definitely not worth the $40-some. I don't know. Unfortunately, I don't think the prices are in here. That's one thing I miss is BoxyCharm always had the little card that would tell you retail value. I don't see it in that thing. So anyways, this is, let's say, $20-some. Alright, next in here, we have the Patrick Ta. This is the Major Dimension eyeshadow palette. This is, okay, that's pretty doggone nice. I do like that. Now keep in mind, I did not get to customize any of this because it was in fact sent in PR. So here is the palette. Beautiful casing. That is stunning. Definitely my colors for sure. I do like that palette. Alright, so that is really nice, and I know, I want to say this is worth about $50 or something like that, so the price tag is definitely up there. But out of curiosity, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to look up the price. Alright, so this is running around $70. We're coming in at about, we'll say, let's just say right now we're at $100 off of the two products. So did we technically so far make our money back? Okay. Alright, next in here we got the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I love this stuff. It literally smells like a spa and it is absolutely lovely. And of course, I am so very curious on the price. So I'm just sitting here checking prices because I want to make sure this is a good deal. The cleansing balm online, the original, coming in, let's see, on, doesn't tell me, on here we've got 1.7 ounces. Online, it Ulta. I'm not necessarily seeing it, just glancing over it, which kind of stinks, but it is coming in at $72. All right, so we'll say it's $172 so far. All right, next we're jumping into the next item. Is it Bisha? No clue. This is an essential lip designer duo. Saint Tropez and Saint Bart's are the shades. I don't know if you guys saw my short. I was showing you guys the Valentino lippies that they sent me. They are so nice and lovely. I have one on today and I pair it with Butterfly Kisses, my lip gloss with OFRA Cosmetics. I love it. And people ask, what eyeshadow are you wearing? The Unconditional palette. That's literally all I wear. Alright, so we've got two pencils, it looks like. Are they like a... Oh, okay. I actually really like the shade here. Very much reminds me of Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk in Medium. Love that. Love that. Next in here, the shade. Also very similar. There's not too much of a difference, and I will definitely be using the heck out of these shades. Alright, these lip liners, it looks like individually they're running about $32. Okay, $32, but this is the lip duo. They don't have a duo on here, so this of course would have been a special duo for Ipsy. They do have the Jet Set, which looks like it is 4 of their liners together for $99. So we're just going to say $50 for both. Alright, next in here we have the House Labs by Lady Gaga mascara. Alright, this looks to be about $29 from Sephora. Then we are seeing Dr. B Lab Nourishing Face Oil. It does have vitamin A and E, lavender and chamomile oils. Very aesthetically beauteous. I like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just tell you something. This is actually by Dr. Brandt. And some of you guys are probably like, well, duh. Okay, well, duh. Good for you that you knew. I did not know that they changed their logo. I didn't know what Dr. B was. So I'm on the Dr. Brandt website, and this is actually coming in at $72. And out of curiosity, I don't see any reviews on here, like rating wise, which kind of stinks. There's actually no reviews on here, so maybe this is a new item. If this is new, let us know down below. Next in here, this is actually something that I own and I actually really do like. It is by Briogeo. This is the Style and Treat Yuzu and Plum Bowl. This is the Sleek Stick. I really like this. It works so well. What I love about this particular stick is the fact that when you're doing like a little slick back bun and you're getting your little flyaways and everything, it doesn't make your hair look dirty or greasy or anything. It's actually a really good product, and I don't recall a scent. No, it's really not. And of course, Briogeo products are wonderful. I love them. So this is a really good product that you don't realize that you need until you use it. Also, a little fun fact that I will do sometimes is if I'm in a little bit of a pickle and I need to get my brows up, I will take a spoolie over and yeah. So you can multi-purpose this little thing too. Alright, this is running $23. Alright, and the last thing in the box is the Dr. Jart Vita Hydra Solution Pro Plump and Glow. It's an intensive hydration mask. Definitely new to me. Never tried it. We've got a pack of, actually 5 of these masks. So I will keep you guys posted. My kiddo loves to do these kind of masks. I do too. Ask Nicole Fisher. When we were in Palm Springs, we laid in bed, chit-chatted for hours, and did a little face mask. This actually comes in at $37 according to Sephora. And as far as the reviews on here, it actually looks like it has 4 stars. And it's sold a lot too. So we got 4 stars out of here. I will definitely try it out, let you guys know. It is a water gel sheet mask. Let's get down to the nitty mother trucking gritty. What are my thoughts on this box? The grand total is $383. One of the things that I noticed is, yes, it says it's $65. Then you got to account for the tax, and we have 6% sales tax in Kentucky. And then I do believe they put a I touched it handling fee on here. I touched it. That's $2.99. Maybe it's $1.99. I don't know. Grand total from what I'm seeing, at least in Kentucky, it's running just under $72 for this box. What are my thoughts? Would I buy this box? I am one, and I've told you all that, I haven't been super into makeup subscription. I'm keeping it 100 with you guys, okay? I'm very thankful and blessed and appreciative that they sent this in PR, but I'm gonna keep it 100. And for me, if this had been the first Ipsy icon box that I had received, I 100% would have been very much happy with this box. Now, is that to say every icon box that I've received this past year I've enjoyed? No. So it's one of those situations where I know that they offer pay a year in advance, save some money there. I couldn't do that with this. I don't feel like the Ipsy icon box has been iconic enough, pun intended, to make me feel like, yes, let me give you a big lump sum up front. I think to play safe, yeah, I would definitely purchase this box for $71. Heck yeah. Because everything in this box is definitely something that either I currently use, I would definitely use, or I'm curious to use. Those three things are very much important to me when I am looking at purchasing a subscription. Now, one thing I will say that I'm not a fan that Ipsy at least did in the past, I don't know if they currently do that, but I'm not a fan of, if you like this and you want this and you go in to purchase it, you automatically have to purchase the last icon box that they had released, and then you'll get this icon box. I don't like that. I don't know, again, if they still do that. That is something I need to look into. It's one of those things where play it by ear on the next one. Because it kind of, I guess, maybe depends on who the person is. I have to wonder, do they start charging more with these handling fees and the prices going up because they have to pay whoever the celebrity is that they're collaborating with? I don't even know if that's a thing, but I feel like if you're collaborating with somebody, they're probably getting paid in some which way. So Ipsy has to make up for it somehow. I don't know. Anyways, if you are interested in picking up this icon box that is partnered with Ash K Home, then definitely check my link down below. It is an affiliate link. Thank you guys if you do decide to use it. I do earn a little bit of a commission. I greatly appreciate it. Looking forward to hearing from you guys on your 2 cents of this. Did you like this style video? I'm getting ready to unbox another subscription. It's the BoxyCharm by Ipsy, so stay tuned for that video to go up. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
Keep it cool with you. I feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too.